Hello traders, today is the 30th of June, end of the month, end of the week, and end of the day. What a blessing, Friday, amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade, guys. As explained this morning, we were looking this breakout. By the way, this is the breakout, we were expecting it. This morning we have also this small long trade, bank few pp's. Afterwards the price reversed, and I said to my trader, let's wait for the market to break the structure, then we're going to look at the position. And I also did the analysis in trading view. If you look at here, price was at the major support level, so we were expecting price reaction at this level. And let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and help my traders to squeeze some amazing profit. And most of the traders are still holding long on pound dollar. All right, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, this morning we had this breakout, bank few pp's, first target hit, and afterwards the price reversed. As I said to my trader, let's wait to the market to develop a structure, and then we're going to look at. So based on the 4-hour, price was at the major support level, so we were expecting to break out this pattern, and the confirmation we had it. If you look at here, the price broken after the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation, and then explain my trader, just keep enjoying all this pullback. So this is what exactly we had it. And after that, this is another, I say guys, don't miss another pullback. If there's any pullback, high probability. You can see here 1 second pullback, 2 pullbacks after this one, and my traders are really enjoying pipping. Even now, if you look at here, the price is still keep going up. You can see I keep taking a pullback, so my traders are really enjoying it, guys. But if you want to enjoy all this analysis in real time, guys, instead of review, most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time.